Hi there, it's Miss Bush, and we're going to do some science with air. To understand air, we're going to use all of these materials and some water. Normally, when I take this water and I dump it upside down, the water pours out. But today, we're going to do a trick with air to keep some water in. For this trick, I have to make sure I have it filled all the way to the top. To do this at home, you need some kind of container. Sometimes bubbles come in containers that work, that are tall and narrow. That's part of the trick. I get a seal with a paper towel, and 3, 2, 1, it stays. It's staying because the air is pushing up on the paper towel. And as long as it's a seal, it stays there. As soon as a little air gets in there, then it comes down. But as long as we had an air seal, that water was getting held by water. Now, most grown-ups would know that I started with 2 that were full and 1 that was empty. But you're not most grown-ups. You're my first grade scientist. So what is in here? It's not empty. It has air. And if a grown-up doesn't believe you that it's not empty, take it upside down and put it in a bowl of water. This water just has some food coloring in it. And right now, it still has the air in it that it started with. But if I turn it sideways, the air bubbles come out and it starts to fill with water. Now it has water instead of air. But when it's filled with air, it still has air in it. And that air stays in until I let it come out. Which comes to my third trick. Most of the time, if I take a paper towel and I throw it in a bowl of water, it gets all wet. But I have a trick. You can try this one at home. Almost any cup will work. And you just need a bowl of water or a sink filled with water or a bathtub filled with water. This is a good bathtub trick. And a paper towel and another cup. I'm using a clear one so you can see. I just kind of squish the paper towel in there. Now, it has a paper towel and air. The air is the trick. I need to put the cup in flat, all the way in the water. Take it back up, and my paper towel is still dry because the air in the cup protected the paper towel. Look at it. Now, if I let air bubbles come out, I'd be letting water in the cup. So now there's a little water in my cup, but not enough to get the paper towel wet. So then I put it in. When the air gets out in the air bubble, the water can go in. How much air can you let in and keep the paper towel dry? Oh, I got it a tiny bit wet, but not all the way. The paper towel stays dry because the air in the cup stays in the cup, even in the water. Air can do lots of things. So you can either comment on what you saw me do, or you could try some at home. Up to you, but thank you and have a great day.